Tonight, I will show you which foods work, why they help, and how something as simple as 1 minute of chewing can restore strength and confidence after 50. I am Dr. Sofia Carter, a urologist with more than a decade of experience helping men improve their health naturally. Over the years, I have found that some of the most powerful solutions are not complicated treatments or expensive pills. They are simple daily habits, like chewing the right foods that support blood flow, hormones, and energy. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which foods to chew, how often to use them, and what changes to expect when you make this part of your routine. The first food to chew is garlic. Now, I know many of you may think of garlic only as something that adds flavor to food, but inside this little clove is one of the most powerful natural compounds for circulation and erections. Raw garlic contains allicin, a substance that relaxes and widens blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow with less resistance. But here is the secret most men do not realize: allicin is not active until garlic is broken apart. That is why chewing is so effective. When you chew a clove slowly, for about 1 minute, you release the enzymes that turn garlic into its most potent form. Swallowing it whole will not give you the same effect. Think of it as unlocking a hidden medicine that your body can use instantly. Once allicin enters your bloodstream, it goes to work quickly. It reduces blood pressure, keeps your arteries flexible, and helps oxygen-rich blood reach every corner of your body, including the pelvic region where you need it most. Erections depend entirely on blood flow, and garlic helps make sure that blood is moving freely and strongly. There is another layer to this. By improving circulation, garlic also strengthens your heart. A stronger heart means stronger pumps of blood, which directly translate to firmer, longer-lasting erections. Many men who make garlic part of their daily routine not only report more reliable firmness, but also better stamina, more energy during the day, and even improved cholesterol and cardiovascular health. If chewing raw garlic feels too intense, do not worry. You can crush a clove, let it sit for a few minutes to activate the allicin, and then chew it gently with a small piece of apple or parsley. This softens the sharp flavor and freshens your breath while still giving you all the benefits. Some men even combine it with a teaspoon of honey, which adds sweetness and an extra boost of minerals that also support testosterone. The key is consistency. One clove here and there will not change much, but making garlic a regular part of your evening or morning routine builds momentum. Over a few weeks, your blood vessels stay more open, your circulation improves, and erections begin to feel stronger and more natural again. Garlic may be small, but when used the right way, it becomes one of the most powerful allies for men's health after 50. The second food to chew is ginger. Unlike garlic's sharp bite, ginger carries a spicy warmth that spreads through your whole body almost instantly. This is not just a sensation on your tongue, it is your circulation waking up. Ginger root is loaded with powerful plant compounds like gingerols and shogals, which act as natural stimulants for blood flow while calming hidden inflammation inside your blood vessels. For men over 50, this is especially important. With age, arteries can become stiff and inflamed, which makes it harder for blood to move into the pelvic region. Ginger helps reverse this by keeping vessels relaxed and responsive. The result is not just warmth, it is stronger, more dependable firmness when you need it most. But ginger's benefits extend beyond circulation. It has a long history as a digestive aid, and when your digestion is strong, your body can actually use the nutrients you eat to build hormones like testosterone. Think of ginger as a bridge. It makes sure the fuel you put in your body is absorbed and turned into energy, strength, and vitality, instead of being wasted. Another unique advantage of ginger is its ability to fight oxidative stress in the testes, the very glands that produce testosterone. This means it not only helps move blood to the right places, but also protects and supports the source of male hormones directly. Over time, that translates into better stamina, improved recovery, and a greater sense of vitality. If chewing raw ginger feels too intense at first, you can start with a thin slice. The key is to chew slowly for about a minute, allowing its juices to mix with your saliva before swallowing. That is when the active compounds begin to work. If the flavor feels too fiery, simply follow it with a sip of warm water to smooth the taste. With regular use, many men notice their energy throughout the day feels more stable, their mood more balanced, and their intimacy more satisfying. Ginger is not a quick trick. It is a steady builder, reminding your body how to circulate, digest, and perform the way it was designed to. The third food to chew is the clove. These tiny, fragrant buds may not look like much, but they are packed with compounds that make them one of the most powerful spices for male vitality. Cloves are especially rich in antioxidants, which act like bodyguards for your testicular tissue. As we age, oxidative stress builds up in the body. This is the same process that causes rust on metal, and it weakens the very cells that produce testosterone. By protecting these cells, cloves help your body continue producing hormones naturally even after 50. When you chew a clove, you release eugenol, its signature compound. Eugenol has been shown to calm inflammation, improve circulation, and keep blood vessels flexible. Better circulation means better erections because blood can flow freely to the pelvic region when arousal begins. The warmth you may feel from chewing is a signal that the spice is already working to open blood flow pathways. Another unique advantage of cloves is their effect on digestion and nutrient absorption. A healthy digestive system allows your body to use minerals like zinc and magnesium more effectively, the very minerals needed for testosterone production. That is why cloves are often found in traditional remedies around the world, from Asia to the Middle East, not just for flavor but for strength and vitality. Chewing just 1 or 2 cloves before bed also has an added bonus. They naturally freshen your breath, which can make you feel more confident before intimacy. But more importantly, bedtime is the perfect moment for this ritual. During deep sleep, your body restores and balances hormones. By chewing cloves before bed, you are fueling that process right when it matters most. The best part is that you do not need many. Just 1 or 2 cloves a day are enough to give your body what it needs. Overdoing it can cause irritation, so moderation is key. Consistency, not quantity, is what brings results. Many men who adopt this simple habit notice that after a few weeks, they wake up with stronger morning erections, more energy, and a sense of renewed vitality. The fourth option is pumpkin seeds. Most of us think of them as a seasonal snack, something roasted and salted at harvest time, but in their raw or lightly toasted form, they are one of the most concentrated natural sources of minerals for male health. Chewing pumpkin seeds does more than satisfy a craving. It unlocks zinc, magnesium, and healthy fats that go straight to work on your testosterone and circulation. Zinc is perhaps the most important mineral when it comes to erections. Without it, your body cannot make testosterone in adequate amounts. Low zinc is one of the hidden reasons many men feel their desire fading or their firmness weakening as they age. Pumpkin seeds deliver this mineral in a form your body can use, replenishing what stress, age, and poor diet have quietly drained away. Magnesium, another key nutrient in pumpkin seeds, plays a different but equally vital role. It calms the nervous system, lowers stress hormones like cortisol, and helps regulate blood sugar. Each of these effects protects testosterone and improves blood vessel function. Together, zinc and magnesium form a kind of shield, keeping hormone production steady while protecting your circulation. When you chew pumpkin seeds thoroughly for a full minute, you release their natural oils right into your saliva. This begins the process of absorption before they even reach your stomach, making the minerals easier for your body to use. That is why chewing is more powerful than simply swallowing them quickly. For men over 50, adding a small handful, about 2 tablespoons of pumpkin seeds to the evening routine can make a noticeable difference. Many notice improved libido, stronger firmness, and steadier energy within a few weeks. The beauty of pumpkin seeds is that they are small, simple, and easy to carry, yet they deliver one of the most powerful nutritional boosts for male vitality. The fifth food is the walnut. At first glance, it is a humble nut, but inside it holds one of the richest combinations of nutrients for circulation and hormone support. Walnuts are filled with omega-3 fatty acids, healthy fats that keep your arteries supple and your blood flowing freely. For men struggling with weaker erections, this flexibility is crucial. Blood must be able to surge into the penis quickly and stay there, and omega-3 set make that possible. Walnuts also contain arginine, an amino acid your body converts into nitric oxide. Remember, nitric oxide is the chemical messenger that signals your arteries to relax and open wide during arousal. Without enough nitric oxide, erections become weak or unreliable. Chewing walnuts thoroughly allows these oils and amino acids to be released into your saliva, kickstarting the process of absorption even before they reach your stomach. Beyond erections, walnuts provide broader benefits. They are loaded with antioxidants that reduce inflammation, protect blood vessels, and support brain health. Many men who eat walnuts consistently report not only stronger circulation, but also a calmer, steadier mood and better sleep. This matters because testosterone is made during deep sleep, and stress is one of its biggest enemies. By promoting rest and relaxation, walnuts help create the perfect environment for hormone production. Another quiet advantage is stamina. Walnuts provide a steady release of energy thanks to their blend of protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Unlike sugary snacks that spike and crash your blood sugar, walnuts fuel your body in a balanced way, keeping your performance strong whether you are at work, at the gym, or with your partner. So how do you put this into practice? It does not take much. Choose one or two of these foods each day and commit to chewing them slowly for about 1 minute. You do not need a large amount. 1 garlic clove, a slice of ginger, a clove bud, a small handful of pumpkin seeds, or 2 to 3 walnuts are plenty. Rotate them throughout the week to give your body a variety of nutrients. The key is consistency. One day will not change much, but 3 weeks of steady chewing can bring real results. Think of it as training your body to absorb and use these natural compounds every single day. Gentlemen, improvement does not always come from complicated treatments. Sometimes it comes from the oldest, simplest habits. Garlic, ginger, cloves, pumpkin seeds, walnuts. These are foods your body already understands. By chewing them, you are unlocking their full potential to improve circulation, raise testosterone, and support erections naturally. 1 minute a day is all it takes to begin restoring the strength you thought was gone.